Hey guys, I have a bag that I really wanted to decorate coronavirus. I really wanted to put my stuff in. So if you can guys give me it or buy me it, it's in Shen anyways and it's very cheap. Don't buy me the very expensive one. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the picture. Please buy me the black one, not the white one. And I'm gonna give you where can you go and where you can leave it or just ring the doorbell. So it's at Augusta Marinas or like leave it at the greenhouse with a shop. And yeah, and when my mother asked, hey, it's just for me and don't forget I just wanted it. Or how about this? Don't waste your time. Just give it to LBC and then just leave it there and then say it's at August things and then what did I say? The greenhouse like that. Here's the image again. Bye.